Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mermaid Bidisha. I am going to share with you all my current favorite or rather current go-to lunch option. It's very healthy. I'm trying to get conscious about what I'm eating. That's the reason why I started experimenting with different ingredients, healthy ingredients. So I hope you all like this recipe and I hope you all will try it out at home. So yeah, let's get started with it. We will first take organic extra virgin olive oil. We will need some kale, some spinach, half onion. I personally love to add red chili peppers, but it's completely optional. 2 garlic cloves, some corn. Also in the meantime, I'm going to make quinoa. Whatever I'm going to make today, I'm going to have it with quinoa. First, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil and add some red chili peppers. Now I'm going to add onions. I'm adding the chopped garlic, adding the kale. You can add little bit of lemon juice if you want to. Adding some chopped spinach. These are baby spinach. Now I'm going to add the broth of the corn. And then some corn. Now here comes the star of the show. I'm going to add these Madras lentils that I got from Costco. I love it so much. All that I did is I'm adding more flavor to these lentils, which is in itself very tasty. After stirring for a bit, I garnished it with the cilantro and also added some cucumbers on the top. And I'm going to have this preparation with quinoa. Let me have it in front of you. Guys, you really need to try this at home. You all will love it. The lentil is just amazing, and when you add so many flavors to it, it gets even better. So I hope you all liked this video of mine. If you want to see more of such videos, then make sure you comment below. Time for me to have my lunch. Bye for now.